children. This video is about phonics, the sounds of letters that we use while reading. Also, we will learn about few sounds of words that are made up of combination of two letters. Today I will teach you about the words and their respective sounds. A says a as in apple. B says b as in ball. C says k as in cat. D says d as in doll. E says a as in elephant. F says f as in fan. G says g as in gate. H says h as in hen. I says I as in igloo. J says j as in jug. K says k as in kite. L says l as in lamp. M says m as in monkey. N says n as in nest. O says o as in orange. P says p as in pen. Q says qu as in queen. R says r as in rabbit. S says s as in sun. T says t as in tub. U says as in umbrella. V says w as in van. W says w as in watch. X says x as in box. Y says y as in yak. Z says z as in zip.